Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ASMAS kitchen. I'm Asma. In today's video, I'm gonna share recipe of mutton karahi. It is notable in Pakistani and North Indian cuisine. This dish is one of the hallmarks of Pakistani and Indian cuisine. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right, let's get started with the recipe of mutton karahi. Mutton 750 grams. Tomatoes 3 sliced, onion paste 1 cup, ginger 1-inch piece julienne, green coriander half bun chopped, green chilies 8 whole, yogurt half cup whisked, green chilies 2 julienne, turmeric powder half teaspoon, crushed garlic 1 tablespoon, crushed ginger 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon. Now in a pot add 1 cup of oil. Let it bit warm. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. Frying it. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and frying both for at least 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of onion paste and stir fry it. Now add all sliced tomatoes and stir fry it. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mixing it. Now I am adding 750 grams of mutton and stir frying it for at least 5 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water. Mix it and let water boil. Now water is boiling, so I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for 45 minutes or until mutton get tender on low medium heat. After 45 minutes, it is how it looks. Mutton is well tendered. Now I am still frying it. Now I am adding half cup of whisked yogurt. And still frying it again for at least 5 minutes. Now cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir fry it again. At this point, I am adding half teaspoon of garam masala, 8 whole green chilies, and half of julienne ginger, and chopped green coriander. Now mixing it, and I'm gonna let it simmer for more 5 minutes. Now it's completely ready to dish out. I'm gonna dish it out in karahi, as it is karahi, so it is gonna look better in karahi. Now I am garnishing it with rest of chopped green coriander, and julienne green chilies, and julienne ginger, and in last I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. Link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this recipe. Leave comment below. Share it with your family and friends. Subscribe ASMAS Kitchen for more delicious, quick and easy recipes. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.